a big change in the weather pattern as we head toward the next couple of days. Start by taking a look at what's going on tomorrow, and as the 90s cartoon Beavis and Butthead said, our main concern is fire, fire, fire. Some red flag warnings in effect, especially the high fire danger, basically red desert over here through Detroit County. That does include the Casper area as well, and much of the eastern part of the state as well. Johnson County, still have them under a watch. That could be upgraded as we head toward later tonight. The little question is whether the wind will get strong enough, but elevated fire conditions across many areas east of the divide. It's been very, very dry lately, and it's going to be breezy in a lot of places. So if you want to burn, probably not a good idea to do it tomorrow. And also we take a look at the temperature changes, like cold front drops south across the area. It'll be very warm on Wednesday. Temperatures in many places getting in the 70s, but when you wake up Thursday morning, could be some snowflakes flying, and these high temperatures in many of these areas go from the 70s down to the 30s in a lot of places, especially I think further east you go. And this is a change in temperatures, high temperatures between Wednesday and Thursday. You see minus 39 in Buffalo, minus 35 in Casper. It could be as far as 40 degrees in some places, so that's going to be a real slap to the face if you know what I mean. And one more thing to look at, this will be the wind. This will be mainly, I think, from about late Wednesday night, especially as we head into Thursday. And the big areas here, I think the northern Bighorn Basin as well as across Johnson County, when you get a cold front dropping south, a lot of cold air rushes into these areas, and you get a lot of strong wind. I think especially around Johnson County. Now these winds are in knots here. That's about 60 miles per hour. Could see some gusts as high as 70 miles per hour. So if you're driving a high-profile vehicle up I-25 or across I-90, just make sure you watch out there because there could be some very strong winds and also a good blowover risk in that area. You see some pretty good winds across much of the area. With temperatures in the 30s, it's going to feel really, really cold out there, especially since it's been fairly warm the past couple of days. So as far as any impacts, again, fire danger, especially across Natrona, southeast Fremont counties, in many areas in the elevated. Johnson County could be critical danger tomorrow. As far as the winds are concerned, again, strong winds across much of the area. Cody foothills, especially, I think, on Wednesday, then Wednesday night into Thursday across Johnson County as well as across the northern Bighorn Basin. A lot of places seeing gusty winds, though. And as far as the cold temperatures, again, we're not talking about going below zero, but low temperatures as we head toward Thursday night could drop into the teens across much of the area, especially if you get a little bit of snow on the ground. So that could be as much as 55 degrees below what we had. And also, as far as snow, not looking for a lot of snow here, but the problem is the timing of the snow. The front will be dropping south, and the best chance for snow, especially, say, Riverton over toward Casper, the more populated areas, be right around the morning commute. So you may want to allow yourself a few extra minutes there in case the roads get slick. There's your briefing. Have a good day, everybody. Be safe.